Now I am going to sharpen the blade of my hatchet. I can also use the same stone. Same principle. Apply an even pressure. Move slowly. Tilt in the heat. Maybe a little bit more than 20 degrees. As there's the thickness to the braid. This hatchet whiskers actually come with another sharpening tools like this. With this I just have to shift the different mode. This is like a knife sharpening mode, and this is the hatchet sharpening mode, and I'll just hold it down and move it back and forth for about 15 times. The instruction sheets that gives a very nice and sharp edge too. Very much easier. There you go. This is how I sharpen the blade of hatchet.